Hey guys, let's go on a shopping spree. Now, this 3D printer right here looks pretty cool. It has aluminum double linear guide rails. Look at that. Looks like it's a direct extruder too. So boom boom. And yeah, tell me what you think about that. The link's in the description. And let's go Amazon shopping for printers. I already got the Labstus printer right there. I already got this one. She works great, as you can tell. But I really want to try this one right here, the one with the linear guide rails. Vortex Aqua 3D printer that just looks like another Ender style printer. These are all on the Amazon warehouse, so you can get deals on them. Get deals on 3D printers, right? And there's the Snapmaker Original 3-in-1 3D printer. This you just use your cell phone to print, I think. I don't know. All metal entry level 3D printer. It looks pretty nice. Hmm. Tell me if you use that printer. Anyways, check out these combat gloves. Tell me what you think of these suckers. They're pretty cool. I should have put steel reinforced. Where is it? Oh. Just seen it on Amazon. Dun dun dun. What? No. There they are. Steel reinforced combat gloves. Anyways, have a good one. Take care. I just thought I'd go on a shopping spree.